Good afternoon. I've been to the garden centre, unsupervised. Absolutely fantastic, especially on a day like today. So I don't know how long I was wandering around there, but I only went for a bag of ericaceous compost, which I did get, and that, but you don't need to see that. But they'd got an awful lot of veg out now, so looked around, nothing I desperately needed or wanted. I could have bought, but didn't need. But then I spotted the tomatoes. Not a huge variety there, but they'd actually got the honeycomb. Never done that one before. So, yeah, well happy to try that one. And for £1.50, I mean, it's cheaper than a pack of seeds, and I only want one anyway. So, yeah. And then also got some gherkins, cornichons, and that because I want to pickle a load of these. I'm not overly keen on them, but the other two like them, so they might grow on me. You never know. But yeah, so that was another one. And then, can you guess what it is yet? Yes, it's a dahlia. I know. But I wouldn't have bought any more dahlias than that, really, at the moment. But that is another of the honker ones called Fragile, and it's white with very pale sort of pink edging and whatnot. And I just thought, I can't not have that. They had still got more of the honker black, but I thought, no, one's enough. So I'm being very restrained, and that's how I'm going to get that in a pot of compost. And yeah, so I'm very pleased with my purchases. It was lovely to go out on a day like today on my own. I probably spent about an hour looking around all the different plants and flowers, and oh my god, it was lovely, and lots of other bits, but you know, no spending. I'm trying no spending when I've just bought this lot, you know, but not anywhere near what I could do. So yeah, it's been a good little haul, I think, anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna get the bag of ericaceous in out the boot, and then I can put on my couple of strawberry cutting. It's this heat. It's doing me. Yeah, my blueberries. I've got two that have rooted and that, so I need to eat those out of the pot and put those up separately, and then I'll top dress the other two with some fresh ericaceous. So I was going to change it all, but I can't be bothered, to be quite honest. They'll just get a nice thick top dress on it. So yeah, so I better crack on and do something. So I will see you again. Take care.